Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Prakasya Kalyana Gunanavasya Bhakta Jani Dunyatoti Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Yuga Jagata Jani Vande Guru
Going back to God at the end of this life.
50 years ago on Ramanomi in 1975, and so whatever we can hear, what nectar we can hear during this auspicious day.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I was thinking, Daiva Shakti talked a little bit about 1974, which often he would say he had a headache because of us. Not an illness headache, he had a headache because of his disciples. That he was very happy to say that to us. I have a headache, you're giving me a headache.